In 2017, Alexander Forbes collaborated with CTU Training Solutions to deliver a workforce development project to upskill 14 individuals in software and application development. An NQF5 program that will allow the individuals to enter the job market as qualified application developers. On completion of this project, these individuals will have gained the skills to design and develop fast and fluid applications that are the focus point of the user experience.
Hi, my name is Ibrahim Nur Mohammed. I'm 17 years old. I'm quite excited for this. It is scary though. I'm a bit nervous. It's going to be a new challenge. It's a new venture for me. And I hope to make the best of it and also have plenty of fun going along with the program. It's been 6 months so far, well, almost 6 months, and we've done a lot of programming, a lot of learning, a lot of training. It's been quite the experience so far, but it's been a very great course. There's been a lot that we've learned from this: hard work, teamwork, and you've got to be consistent, and it pays off eventually. And I'm pretty excited to get into the workplace. It's quite the experience.
So the value of this learnership to us, obviously, the social development aspect of it is important to us just from an ethical and moral point of view. It's the right thing to do for the country. But there is a real ROI on this program in that we get young, talented people who have got some basic training and are really keen. They've demonstrated to us that they are keen and that they have the aptitude to do the job we need them to do.
It's been very fun, a lot of learning, a lot of experience gained. A lot of the things that you're actually learning is that there's a lot of scenarios and situations that you encounter in the workplace that you don't exactly encounter within the classroom. And it broadens your mind, broadens your thinking, and it gives you a real learning curve in terms of what to expect when you move from a study perspective into a work perspective. And yeah, it's a lot of fun, and it challenges you in a lot of ways to grow in your thinking, to grow in terms of what do you do and the way you tackle different situations and different scenarios. And I think that's been one of the most fundamental things that you can learn in terms of this experience to get.
I've developed so much passion for coding, and I've learned that I still have a lot to learn. And then I'm very optimistic about the future, and then the environment is actually quite great and the people are actually friendly.
The project we are working on, from the first time we started, and then our first code review, because when we got here we thought we were just going to do some small programs, but actually we're doing a program for the company. So that's wow. Like, the experience has been great because I've always been curious what's going on with softwares, with IT, and I finally got to create softwares. I love it. It's very challenging, so I love challenges. I hate boring things. So from school it was challenging, it was great, but then when I came to the workplace it was something different. It was more challenging, it was like the real world. So yes, the experience has been great for me. I like it.
Your journey will be hard. Embrace it. You will be overwhelmed sometimes and thinking about giving up. Don't give up. You will have doubts, but you will succeed. And while you're having doubts, you may think that you will never succeed because you are overwhelmed by your current circumstances. But if you believe that you can succeed, you can succeed.
Whether we were submitting a calculator or a website, we were all running to each other's desks, trying to fix what was broken, sometimes breaking what was fixed, and then making sure that all the documentation was updated and up to date, and that really brought us together. And so I'd like to thank CTU for not only passing down the knowledge to us, but for the challenges that we faced, because I think those challenges brought out sort of the camaraderie between the group of us, and I'd like to thank them for that opportunity that they've given us.